Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay, read the answers one by one, Shashmi.
For the first one, it's 28.
Very good.
For the second one, it's 40. For the third one, it's 32.
Nice work, nice work. Mark your answers. Okay. So, what about question number 4, 5, 6? What is the answer? Any idea? What is the root of 7?
For the
Is it a
7, it's 49.
7 times 7 is 49. Root 49 is 7. But what is root 7? Is it a perfect square number?
No.
No. So we don't, it's a decimal number. We will talk about these cases further in coming grades, in higher grades. But for now we will write as it is. Why? 7 is not a perfect square number. 6, 5, those are not perfect square numbers. Right? Okay, they write them down. Finish?
Yes.
Okay. Now I need you to write the answers for the second question of the textbook.
Teacher, in the second question, there is also 7, 8, root 7 there.
Yes. So how to write that? 8 root 7?
The same one.
Same one. Why root 7 is not a perfect square number. What about B?
It's there. 20 times 3.
Very good. Final answer.
Give me a second, teacher.
Yeah, take.
It's 60.
Very good. 60, ne? 60. Okay, mark your answers. Okay. Then read third question to yourself and explain me what are we supposed to do.
What fraction of an hour is 25 minutes?
What will be the answer?
2.5.
Why 2.5? We are supposed to write the fraction.
It's a decimal, right?
It's a decimal.
Two over 5.
2 over 5. What's the logic behind that? "25 minutes." Right? Out of 1 hour. But in numerator, minutes. Denominator, hour. This is not applicable. We have to convert both numerator and denominator into 1 unit. Either we have to convert 25 to hours or hours to minutes. That is the easier part. We will convert hours to minutes. Right? So 1 hour means how many minutes? How many minutes? 1 hour is equal to
60 minutes.
60 minutes. So instead of writing 1 hour, I can write 60 minutes. So minutes part. So 25 out of 60 neither. Isn't that so? Right? 25
Yes.
out of 60. So what is the equivalent fraction in simplest way?
Give me a minute.
Okay. Take time.
Teacher, we can multiply by 25, right?
With the simplest form, then you have to divide. Right? Simplest form, we should write the simplest form. Then you have to divide. When we multiply, the number getting bigger.
1 over 25.
How did you get 1 over 25?
Divide by 25.
60 is divided by 25. What is the answer?
24.
Is it divisible as an exact number? Can we obtain an exact number? So we can divide by just 5, ne? 5 over 12. 5 over 12 is the simplest form. Isn't that so? Clear? Is that clear?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, write this down and write the answer for this extra question.
25 over.
Answer is 25 over 60, and equivalent fraction in simplest form is 5 over 12.
Then the extra question. Okay. I'll say that.
45 minutes. Out of an hour.
Okay, teacher, finish.
Okay, what is the answer?
9 over 12.
Very good. 9 over 12. Can't we simplify that further?
More?
Yes. Try.
By 3.
So 45 over 16. Then divide by 5. 9 over 12.
12.
3 over 4, ne? Isn't that so?
Yes.
Okay, write this down. Okay, but then we'll go to the exercise. So how to write each and every fraction as decimals? That is my question. How to write this as a decimal?
Wait. 0.4.
Very good. 0.4. This one.
0.75.
75. Nice work. This one.
0.125. 375.
Very good. And we will go to next part. First one. This one. 2 over 10.
0.2. 0.6. 0.125.
Wait, Puthe, I have made a mistake. It's my mistake. 25 over 100.
Oh, 0.25.
0.25. Last one.
0.625.
Very good. You know about that, Nene? Okay, now
Yes.
how to represent same as a percentage? Can you remember? How to represent this as a percentage? Or this as a percentage? Percentage means a fraction with denominator 100. So equivalent fraction for this is 40 over 100. Ne? That means 40%. Ne? So this one should be written as 12.5%. So this one written as 37.5%. So what about this one? So 0.2 means 20%. 60%. Right? This one 25%. And 62.5%. See the pattern, right? We will discuss about this more accurately and in a descriptive way. Right? First example is 1 over 5. We will write it as a fraction, as an equivalent fraction with the denominator 10. 2 over 10 ne. That means 20 over 100 ne. So this is the most important part. 20 over 100. So a fraction with denominator 100 can be written as a percentage. What is the percentage? Same numerator is written and percentage mark. That's it. And let's say 1 over 8 means 125 over 1000. But we don't work with 1000. We need 100. So what should I do? 12.5 over 100. Can you understand this step? Divided both numerator and the denominator by 10. Then we get this. So what is the percentage? 12.5%. Right? So this is easy. Let's say 25 over 100. Tell me the answer as a percentage.
25%.
25%, that is easy. In this one, 3 over 5. Write this as a percentage. I'll give you time. Okay, can you complete this step? Can you write the numerator? I think that's easy for you. What should be the numerator?
30.
If it is 100, it should be 30. Okay. Now write this as a percentage. Not 30. Wait. I also made a mistake. Not 30 neither. 5 times 2, 10. 3 times 2, 6 ne?
Yes.
Then if the denominator is 100, what should be the numerator? 10 times 10, 6 times
60.
10. 60 ne? So write this as a percentage.
60%.
60%. One more example. 2 over 5. Follow the same steps.
Did you give me a few minutes?
Yeah.
40%.
40%. Ne? 4 over 10. 40 over 100. Nice one. And this one. 3 over 8. First, write them as a fraction with denominator 1000, then with 100, then the percentage. Okay, fill the blanks.
Teacher, can you give another example from which number should we multiply to get the 1000?
We have done that. Can you remember? What should be the numerator? 3 over 8. Same example was done. But just think of this step. Wait. What should be the numerator?
375.
375, ne? Right? 375.